back to Pawns.App Academy. Today, we're talking about sharing your referral link and referral videos on Viber. Whether it's sending to a friend or creating a group, Viber has you covered. Let's explore the different ways to get your link out there. Send to a friend. Number 1, open the app and tap the chat bubble icon in the bottom right. Number 2, select a chat from your recent list or contacts and tap on it. Number 3, paste your referral link and tap the send icon in the bottom right. Number 4, if you want to send your referral video, tap the gallery icon. Number 5, select your video from the library, add a description if you wish, and tap the send icon to send it. Send to a group. Number 1, open the app and tap the chat bubble icon in the bottom right. Number 2, tap the new group or community option at the top. Number 3, select the context you want to add to your new group, and tap the arrow icon in the bottom right once you're done. Number 4, give your group a name and confirm it when done. Number 5, paste your referral link and tap the send icon in the bottom right. Number 6, remember, if you're sharing your referral link, you should explain what Pawns.App is, how it works, and why it's worth joining. Number 7, if you want to send your referral video, tap the gallery icon. Number 8, select your video from the library. Add a description if you wish, and tap the send icon to send it. Don't forget to mention that Pawns.App pays $3 on top of everything you earn with our 3-step program. Step 1, join Pawns.App through the referral program and get your $1 starting bonus right away. Step 2, make your first withdrawal, and yes, there's another $1 waiting for you. Step 3, withdraw again, and one more buck is in your balance. So you get $1 after completing each step and $3 in total for free.